Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install VLC Media Player on Ubuntu. First, let's use the terminal. This is the easiest and fastest method. Go ahead and press Ctrl+Alt+T on your keyboard to open the terminal. Now, type the following command and hit enter: sudo apt update and sudo apt install VLCY. This command updates your system's package list and installs VLC. Once the installation is complete, you can open VLC either from your applications menu or by typing VLC in the terminal. Just open the Ubuntu Software Center, search for VLC, and click install. And that's it, VLC is now ready to play your favorite videos and music. To confirm everything's working, type VLC version. You'll see the installed version of VLC listed in the terminal. Thanks for watching and enjoy your media playback on Ubuntu.